Welcome back. Today's session, we are going to see a topic on warehouse management system. Of course, if you are in supply chain, warehouse management is one of the important subdomain in the supply chain management. Of course, in the recent time, there are a lot of development in the form of digitization is happening in the supply chain arena. One such aspect is warehouse management system. Of course, basic version of WMS is there for more than a decade, but now the latest version that is integrated with other warehouse automation system. So let us understand what is warehouse management system, and being a supply chain professional, especially in the retail environment, how it is very much important to you. Possibly this kind of automation may not helpful in real manufacturing B2B, but of course they are very much critical in e-commerce and distribution environment. We will see why, what are the reason why it is very much effective in retail environment. Allow me to attach a screen so that we will move to the screen. Today's topic is on warehouse management system, or in short, it is called as WMS. What is the meaning of WMS? A warehouse management system is a software that helps companies manage and control daily warehouse operation from the moment the goods are received and till it is dispatched. Okay, all the activity, possibly you may know what are the operation taking place within the warehouse, and WMS is expected to take care of all this operation in a very effective manner. So as such, this WMS is a software. Okay, it's a software which can support efficient operation of warehouse. What is a good WMS system? It can help by streamlining every aspect of warehouse management, from receiving, put away, and pick, pack, and shipping process to inventory tracking and replenishment. And it works very fine in an automated retail distribution environment rather than in a pure manufacturing environment. Of course, many people may debate why it can work in manufacturing environment. Of course, it can work subject to the type of component being handled. In a retail environment, most of the items are packed when you receive, and it is also barcoded, or you have RFID, which may not be possible or feasible in the manufacturing environment. Most of the items are received in a loose condition, and they have to be counted, quality checked, and then only it can be put up in the stock. However, technology is improving so that we can adopt same in the manufacturing environment. This WMS can integrate with other tools, including basics like barcode scanning, RFID labeling. This is what I was referring, which may not be the case for a manufacturing organization which is receiving item in a unpacked condition. Most of the time, it is not packed, so that you are not wasting money on the packaging. More advanced robotic and augmented reality wearables and other mission critical solutions such as TMS, ERP, and logistics software. Of course, this may become mission critical in a retail environment, not so in other environment, because e-commerce platform, when they commit, they are going to deliver this item within a specific time of period. Then it becomes very critical. Let us see what are the benefits of WMS. Of course, by using random storage location, we can save space up to 20 to 30%. Generally, warehouse, we use a fixed warehouse location, and there, even if there is no item stock, or if you have only 50% stock, the space is reserved for such item. When you have a random item storage location, then possibly you are going to keep the item wherever there is space available, and the location is recorded by the software. Of course, by using WMS, you are going to improve the operational efficiency. Maybe they reduce error in picking and shipping goods and eliminate duplicate and unnecessary work. It can support in reduced waste and cost if you have a data restricted or perishable stock. WMS software can identify which item need to be picked first, maybe a FIFO system in the software, or which might need a sales push to minimize the waste, especially in case of perishable item. Then we can have a real-time inventory visibility, maybe by using barcoding, RFID tagging, sensors, or other location tracking methods. A WMS system gives here real-time insight into the inventory. Of course, by using WMS, we are going to have improved labor management. A WMS can help you forecast labor needs, create schedule, optimize travel time within a warehouse, and assign right task to the right employee based on skill level, proximity, and other factors. So you may see there are a lot of automation, digitization is happening in such situation, and the future is for the digital supply chain. From the time you are going to receive the item till the item is going to dispatch to the customer, every operation is digitized. By using WMS, we are going to have better customer and supplier relationship. Within WMS, customer enjoy improved order fulfillment, faster deliveries, and few inaccuracies, which increases their satisfaction and loyalty and improves the brand reputation. What does WMS system do to receive these benefits? One is when you consider receiving and put away process. This is one of the starting process. A WMS can help companies receive, process, and put away items in most efficient way based on business rule and warehouse flow. It may support in inventory management, not in planning. Otherwise, warehouse management software provides real-time visibility into organization inventory across any location, including items in transit and in stores. Of course, here it is expected that the physical item inventory accuracy is much better. Okay, well, then only you can believe on system stock. Next benefit could be order picking, packing, and fulfillment. WMS system can help lower this cost by guiding the most efficient way to store, retrieve, and pack the products. They also support picking technology that streamline the process. Now, latest technology could be radio frequency or pick to light, pick to voice, robotics, and other algorithms that can optimize picking paths. Okay, so here by using AI and machine learning, we are going to optimize the picking process. Other aspect could be shipping documentation, where generating bill of lading, packing list, invoice for shipping automatically. For example, sending out advance shipping notification. When it comes to labor management, getting insight into labor related cost and productivity can help warehouses run leaner, more efficient operation. Of course, currently we may be handling manually, and if the warehouse operation level is very small, you don't need all this operation. Generally in Indian condition, we do not go for such automation, but when you need a very sensitive area, especially time critical operation, you need this kind of support. Of course, this can also support in yard and dock management. Features for yard and dock management can help truck drivers find the right loading docks quickly. Of course, there is a detailed different process called TMS or YMS, which specifically handle transportation, yard management kind of thing. But of course, you can include or interface such activity even in WMS. Support for cross docking, which is an important operation, especially in the e-commerce operation. Next one could be it could assist us in warehouse metrics and analytics, because we have real-time data which can be integrated with the analytics to track important metrics such as on-time shipping, then inventory accuracy, distribution cost, order fill rate, order cycle time, like any other metrics in the supply chain management. The system can also create visual reports that can be easily shared to all the shareholders. and can be used for any modification or improvements. There are three different types of warehouse management system, starting with the standalone WMS, which means you own the WMS and it is not integrated with the other system. Possibly here you can do lot of customization. On the other hand, it is expected to be very expensive. Okay, these systems are usually deployed on the company's own premises using their own hardware. They can generally support greater customization, and the organization can maintain tighter control over their data and software. Coming to cloud WMS is the other type of WMS. Here, it can be rapidly deployed with lower upfront cost. Nowadays, software as a service is booming, and you don't need to invest in the beginning both for hardware and software. You can subscribe and take a license and invest your critical money in other areas required. So this is a form of WMS, which is gaining momentum. The other one could be integrated ERP and SAM based WMS. Some WMS are built as modules or applications that integrate with the ERP and supply chain platform. Of course, this is essential when you are in a manufacturing and you want all the operation to be integrated. The advantage of this is that they are able to play better with the other solution in overlapping areas such as accounting and business intelligence. Of course, now with the smart warehousing technology, interface with such devices, it will be one of the important aspect of WMS. When we see as a overall warehouse automation, warehousing workflows and process that can be streamlined through automation include data collection, barcoding, scanning, picking and packing, shipping, and the inventory tracking. This automation makes it possible to operate much more efficiently and scale to the changing demand. It also cuts down on human errors such as keying in the wrong shipping address or SKU, or you may know in the manual we commit lot of mistake in the manual environment. The next technology could be voice picking technology. It allows operator to carry out tasks and communicate when they have been completed without having to use paper or their hands and eyes. This produces more accurate picking accuracy and prepared in situation where you expect better accuracy. Operator use voice picking device to receive spoken instruction from WMS system about where and when to pick the incoming orders. And since it is a system generated voice, it is always possible to use multiple language, and thereby we can benefit on a real time. The next technology could be AI and IoT in the warehouse management, because they promise to help businesses respond dynamically to rapidly changing warehousing condition. IoT sensors provide data and the AI can analyze it, making advanced predictions that were not previously possible. These two technology work hand in hand to help companies shift demand-driven warehousing model. Next aspect could be warehousing robots. Automated guiding vehicle, for example, use a track or magnetic strip to transport inventory around the warehouse, while autonomous mobile robots rely on onboard sensors, computers, and map to navigate the warehouse and reroute when needed. But you have to take a caution when you are investing in such expensive technology. There is a cost involved, and you need to see the ROI which is expected by the management. Aerial drone can be one more technology that are fitted with the optical sensors and use deep learning techniques to scan item in high and dangerous places quickly and upload the latest counts to the WMS system, provided that system can support the integration. As you know, most of this latest technology they interface with AI and machine learning. So If you are familiar with supply chain analytics, it will help you to adapt to such a digitization of supply chain processes. Okay. The next one could be augmented and virtual reality apps are available now, where it involves using camera to capture real environments such as an aisle in the warehouse, and then overlays instruction or information on that environment, possibly on a mobile device. Here, smart guesses, for example, allow operator to carry out tasks without using their hands. These apps can map out routes, show where bins are located, and much more. And these technologies are evolving and being adopted by high technology companies. However, you need to know the investment involved, ROI is concerned, and as a part of implementation, what kind of project management has to be done. You must have a clear plan, effective change management. As we are trying to get more automation, there may be a change resistance. Then we should have a plan for data migration, thorough training of the people involved, adequate testing. Of course, when it comes to future of warehouse operation, one can expect increased operational efficiency, a total lower cost of ownership, and improved customer experience. In this, I'm trying to give a brief overview about the warehouse management system. Of course, we have a very detailed program on digital supply chain, where each of these digital tool or allied supplied supporting tools will be discussed in detail along with the case study. Wherever possible, we are also going to demonstrate with AI and machine learning code using the Python. If you have any question, you are always welcome to comment or reach out to me or our executive. You can always see my WhatsApp number available on the screen. Thanks for watching.